Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to play Jumbling Tower. To begin, set up the tower on a flat, stable surface. You will stack 60 wooden blocks in 18 rows of 3. It's important to alternate the direction of the blocks for each new row, creating a stable structure. Make sure the tower is perfectly vertical and stable before anyone takes a turn. This initial setup is crucial for a fun and challenging game for all players. Once the tower is set, players take turns removing one block at a time. The key rule here is to use only one hand to remove your chosen block. You can only select blocks from below the highest complete row, so no touching the very top. Carefully slide or pull out your chosen block, trying your best not to disturb any of the other 60 blocks. This requires a steady hand and a bit of strategy. After successfully removing a block, your next step is to place it on the very top of the tower. You'll be building new rows up there. Make sure to complete a new row of 3 blocks before you start another one. Just like the initial setup, you must maintain the alternating block direction for these new top rows. Always ensure the tower remains balanced and stable after placing your block, as any wobble could lead to its collapse. The game concludes when the tower eventually collapses. This is the moment of truth. The player who caused the tower to fall, even if it's just a few blocks, loses that round. Conversely, the player whose turn was immediately before the collapse is declared the winner of that round. Many people enjoy playing multiple rounds to determine an overall champion, making it a fun and competitive experience for everyone involved. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.